The date for Materials Day Open House, November 4th, 2026 at Penn State University Park in the Millennium Science Complex at the Materials Research Institute. At Materials Day, connect with industry, researchers, students, faculty from across the materials community and beyond. Explore engaging poster sessions throughout the building featuring grad students and research groups, showcasing emerging breakthroughs. Step inside cutting-edge labs with guided and self-guided tours of the MSC, including live demonstrations. Hear fast-paced flash talks highlighting the latest characterization capabilities, tools, and techniques. Take advantage of valuable networking moments. Reconnect with old colleagues. Meet new collaborators across disciplines. Whether you're a researcher or curious about what's next, Materials Day 2026 is an inspiring experience you won't want to miss. Save the date.